Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Epic flooding from Cyclone Debbie in Queensland and now northern New South Wales. Unprecedented. 100,000 properties minus power. The mountains behind Mackay, Queensland, 2 feet of rain in 24 hours. Brisbane, the capital city, extreme flooding. 1.5 foot floods along the Gold Coast. Now, northern New South Wales is copping it hard. Roads flooded. 100 rescues underway. Torrential rains from Cyclone Debbie. And the more fossil fuels we burn, the worse it's gonna get. So why has Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull of Australia green-lighted 3 more huge coal mines? Well, greed, and more greed. Who will protect the people? The taxpayers? The coal mine companies? I think not. Hashtag resist, reject, denial. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of swell books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life. The wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.